How to download all of your photos from Instagram. Let's begin with the video. Initially begin by launching the Instagram app on your device and make sure you are signed in. Then tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Next, click on the three horizontal lines icon at the top right corner. From the menu that appears, scroll down to find your app and media section and select archiving and downloading. Now look for the Save Original Photos option and toggle the switch beside it. Additionally, if you also want your post to automatically appear in your phone gallery, toggle the switch beside Save to Gallery to on position. Once enabled, every time you upload a photo on Instagram, a copy will be instantly saved in your device gallery. That's it. This is how to download all of your photos from Instagram.